Up everybody, we show you how to fix sound problem on Wattpad easy and quick. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open the settings of your device as the first step. Click on apps option right now and search for Wattpad and click. And here scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache right now. And after that back, click on force stop and click OK. Now you go to Play Store or App Store and update Wattpad and restart right now your device, and that's all what you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.